Just to let you guys know, been affected by Hurricane Helene, so filming from a hotel here and been a bit displaced. So not sure when the next video is going to be, but I'll try to keep them coming. And in the meantime, if you want to support, you can leave a donation to the PayPal in the description, or you can just watch this video, like it, share it. You can comment down below. Got some of this fajitas here. You want to see how I did it? Come on. Quick, easy way to peel an onion. Cut it in half. Cut it in half again. Mushrooms. Chickpea flour here, also known as besan, known as gram flour. Add some water, some Irish moss here. Which is optional. Helps to thicken it out if you have it. Grandis crispus or gracilaria. If you don't know the difference, you can check one of my old videos about that. Mix that in there. I'm going to mix it up with this stick blender that you can get on Amazon. I'll find it at the link down below in the description if you want. And immersion blender, stick blender, whatever you call it. And also another optional ingredient, Annatto powder, also known as achiote, just for color. It's ready to go. Get our pan ready, start heating it up. Got some avocado oil here. It's a good oil to use to cook, to fry. It's got a high smoke point. 500 degrees Fahrenheit smoke point. That's pretty good. Spoon in some. Oh, that'll make a nice big one. Okay. Done. Next one. Like a pancake when it starts to bubble and stuff. You know, it's pretty much ready to flip. Usually. Wait, I can do this. It usually works. I mean, there, see, I told you. As for the label, 3 of these are usually enough to satisfy me. So there you go. on these mushrooms. That's the trick. I know 3 people that told me they don't like mushrooms. I cook them this way and they like them. You gotta brown them. Sometimes I like to just throw in a little bit of this annatto or achiote powder just for the color. Just a little bit. Alright. So it's good to have more time, pun intended. Red onions and zucchini. Now the rest is stir fry. Alright. And we added our red onions and zucchini. Onion powder. Dill. And the rest is stir fry. Look at those colors. Gina's give us the red and yellow, green and yellow. We got the purple onions. This is some cayenne pepper. Give some heat to that. Finish it off with sea salt. Keep some napkins handy because this is a greasy one. Gotta build your wrap. A little bit of this homemade tahini that you see me make in the previous video. Because why not? It's literally a wrap.